Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here or just brushing up on your Power BI skills, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful tutorial. How to find the day, week of month, or week of year from any date field in Power BI using Power Query. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to extract this kind of date information, which can make your reports much more insightful and dynamic, whether you're tracking sales, projects, or anything time-based. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open up Power BI and get into Power Query. If your data is already loaded, you just need to hit that Transform Data button. That'll open up the Power Query editor, which is basically your workspace for shaping and cleaning data before you use it in your reports. If you haven't used this area before, don't worry, it's like the backstage of your data model, and it's exactly where we want to be for this kind of transformation. Now, once you're in Power Query, take a look at your tables on the left pane and locate the one you want to work with. The common example is a table that has an order date or something similar. Go ahead and click on that column so it's selected. This is the field we'll use to pull out all the extra date details. With that column highlighted, make your way up to the ribbon at the top. Look for the Add Column tab. When you click here, you're telling Power Query that you want to create a new column based on an existing one, which means you get to keep your original data while adding more context. Choose Add Column, then find the Date button in that section of the ribbon. If you hover over it, you'll see all kinds of cool options you can use to break down your date. Let's start with the basics. We want to extract the asterisk day from our order date, so click on Date, then hover down to Day, and from here you can choose Day to get the day of the month for each transaction or record. Think about it like this. If you want to analyze trends over the course of a month, this can show you which days are busiest for orders or activities, super handy for planning promotions or resources. Once you've done that, don't stop there. We want to repeat a similar process to get even more value out of our date field. Let's find out what week of the month and week of the year each order falls into. Go back to the Add Column menu, hit Date again, and now explore the Week option. You'll notice you can pull out both week of month and week of year. Selecting these options will add new columns that give you the exact week number within each month or year. Getting week-based columns is powerful for all kinds of analysis, especially if you deal with things like sales targets, project sprints, or time-based reporting. For example, let's say you want to track how certain campaigns are performing week over week, or recognize patterns. Maybe your team always gets slammed on the third week, for instance. These new columns make that super easy to spot and analyze. Once you're happy with the new columns you've added, remember to hit that Close and Apply button. That will lock in your changes and send you back to your main Power BI workspace so you can start using these new fields in your visuals. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've turned your basic date column into a powerhouse of analytic potential. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or you want to see more Power Query tips, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly Power BI tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.